Hello dear students, today we will see Ohm's law experimental analysis. In this analysis we will see that how we can plot the VI graph for Ohm's law. So here we are having a circuit in which we have connected a voltmeter, a ammeter and a cell. So what we will do, we will increase the number of cells one by one because here we are considering that one cell equals to producing 10 volt potential. Okay, and here we have connected a resistance R and we will calculate the value of this resistance step by step. Okay, so in the first circuit, in the first case, we have connected one cell here, and we have connected it through the resistance R, where we have connected the voltmeter across the resistance R, and we have connected ammeter also to calculate the amount of current. Okay, so here suppose it is producing 10 volt potential and the amount of current flowing through this ammeter, and ammeter reading here is what? It is 2 ampere. In the second case, we have increased the number of cells. Now we are using the 2 cells instead of 1. So the potential difference across the ends of the resistance will be 20 volt, and the current is increased and the current will be now the 4 ampere. In the third case, we have increased the number of cells 1, 2 and 3, and here the potential difference is 30 volt and the current flowing through the resistance is 6 ampere. In the third case, we have connected total 4 cells 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the voltmeter reading will be here the 40 volt, and the current flowing through the resistance here will be 8 ampere. Now we will apply the Ohm's law here. What is the Ohm's law? We know that V equals to I R. From this formula we can calculate the value of R, that R will be equals to V upon I. So here what we have done, we have taken a table here. Here I have given the number is what? It is the first one, first case, it is the second case, it is the third case, and it is the fourth case. In the first case, we have taken only one cell and the amount of potential is 10 volt in the, and the current flowing through the ammeter is 2 ampere. In the second case, I have used two cell and potential is 20 volt and current flowing is 4 ampere. In the third case, I have used three cells and total potential is flowing, it is what, 30 volt, and the current is 6 ampere. In the fourth case, I have used four cells which is of 40 volt and current flowing is 8 ampere. So what we can do, we can calculate the resistance here. So resistance is what? Resistance is V upon I. What is the value of V? It is 10. What is the value of current I? It is 2. So 10 by 2 will be equals to 5 ohm here. In the second case, the resistance again will be 20 by 4, again it will be 5 ohm, and in the third case I have used 30 divided by 6, again it will be 5 ohm. In the fourth case we have used 40 volt and the current is 8 ampere, so 40 by 8, it will become 5 ohm. So we are getting a constant value of resistance, constant value of resistance. And what is the value of resistance here? Resistance here is 5 ohm, which is simply indicating that it is a constant inside the circuit, and the value of the resistance inside the whole circuit where we have used the resistance here, it is the value of resistance here is what? 5 ohm. If we will draw the graph in this particular case, that is what? Vi graph. It is V, it is I. So here I have used V here what? 10 volt first, and second we have used here 20, third we have used here 30, and fourth we have used here 40 volt. In the current, similarly the current here is what? In starting it is 2 ampere, in second it is 4 ampere, and in third it is 6 ampere, in fourth it is 8 ampere. So if we will plot the graph here, what value we will get? Suppose 2 comma 10, it will the first point here, and the second point will be 4 comma 20, and the third point will be 6 comma 30, and the fourth point will be 8 comma 40 here. Okay, So if we will draw the graph here by joining these points, we will get a straight line. So this straight line indicates that it is what the resistance here will be constant, and for the constant resistance the Vi graph will be a straight line. Okay, the Vi graph will be a straight line.